Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday 6th April 2025. Today UK 49 lunchtime prediction lunchtime prediction first number 7, number 12, number 20, number 35, number 44, booster number 42. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction first number 4, number 18, number 23, number 39, number 47, booster number 21. UK 49 lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and